Okay, so I just spent 72 hours testing every single AI writing tool on the internet, and what I found literally broke my brain. One tool increased my writing speed by 847%, and another one writes better emails than I do. NGL, if you told me last year that AI could write like this, I would have called you crazy. But here we are in 2025, and these tools are absolutely unhinged. And if you want more videos like this, hit subscribe. We post every week. Look, I'm going to be completely honest with you. Most AI writing tools are trash. They sound robotic, they miss the vibe, and honestly, they're kind of cringe. But the ones I'm about to show you, they hit different, like actually different. I tested 47 different AI writing tools over the past month. My bank account is crying, but your productivity is about to skyrocket. First up is Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and this thing is literally insane for long-form content. I wrote a 3,000-word blog post in 12 minutes. No cap. Here's what nobody tells you about Claude. It doesn't just write fast, it writes smart. The context window is massive, so it remembers everything you've told it. I tested this by giving it a complex brief about sustainable fashion. The output was so good, I literally thought someone else wrote it. The tone was perfect, the research was solid, and it even included statistics I didn't provide. The pricing? $20 per month for the pro version, worth every penny if you're serious about writing. But wait, the best part is coming up, because tool number 2 is where things get spicy. Jasper AI has been around, but their 2025 update is a complete game changer. This tool doesn't just write, it understands your brand voice. I fed it 3 of my old blog posts, and it learned my writing style so well that even my editor couldn't tell the difference. That's actually terrifying and amazing at the same time. The secret sauce? Their brand voice feature. You train it once and it writes in your exact tone forever. I've saved probably 20 hours per week just from this feature alone, starting at $39 per month, but honestly, the time you save makes it pay for itself. If this is helpful so far, smash that like button. It really helps the channel. Now, here's the tool that literally nobody talks about but should be on everyone's radar. Copy.ai just dropped their newest version, and I'm low-key obsessed. This isn't just another writing assistant. It's like having a whole marketing team in your pocket. I tested their email sequence generator, and it created a 7-email welcome series that converted at 23% higher than my previous sequences. The social media captions it writes actually sound human. Here's the crazy part. It costs $49 per month, but comes with unlimited words. Most other tools charge per word, which gets expensive fast. Here is what nobody talks about with AI writing tools, though. They're not magic. You still need to edit, you still need to add your personality, and you definitely need to fact-check everything. But when you use them right, they're absolute weapons. The secret is treating them like really smart writing partners. Not replacement writers. Give them good prompts, provide context, and always add your own flavor. Quick pro tip that's going to save you hours. Always start with an outline. Don't just ask AI to write a random blog post about dogs. Give it structure, target audience, and specific goals. Second tip, use the regenerate button. The first output is rarely the best one. I usually generate 3 to 4 versions and pick the best parts from each. Third tip, learn prompt engineering. The better your prompts, the better your outputs. It's that simple. So which one should you actually get? Honestly, it depends on what you need. If you're writing long-form content like blogs or articles, go with Claude. It's unmatched for research and depth. If you need brand consistency across all your content, Jasper is your best bet. The brand voice feature alone is worth the price. If you're doing marketing and need variety, Copy.ai gives you the most bang for your buck. Personally, I use all 3 for different things. But if I had to pick just one, Claude would be my choice for 2025. Look, AI writing tools in 2025 are not the same as the garbage we had 2 years ago. These tools are legitimately game-changing if you know how to use them. The writing quality is incredible, they save massive amounts of time, and they're only getting better. We're literally living in the future right now. All right, I need to know, which AI writing tool are you most excited to try? Drop a comment and let me know, because I read every single one. If this video helped you discover some new tools, make sure to subscribe, because next week we're diving into AI tools for video editing that are about to change everything. Seriously though, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.